Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today I'm going to do something that I'm going to call the vacay shave. Yep, I'm going to trademark that too. I am in actually Samos, Greece from the US for a little while. Last time I was here was 6 years ago, so I'm very happy to be back. This is where my grandfather hails from. Still have some family members here. Let's get to a little travel shave. As you can see, I'm a little scruffy, just a couple days growth. I'm going to do a quick travel shave so I can get out of here. We got a little get together to go to. Today I'm going to use Mercor Progress and the Shave Nation tube with the Arco shave stick inside of it, which is a great method for traveling. Great way to store your soap. When you're done, just put the cap back on. Increase the depth of the soap by turning the knob up or down. Let's get started with that. I'm going to warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Let's see how long it takes for this water to get hot. I did take a shower a few minutes ago. Been piddling around doing some things, just getting everything ready for this. So I still need to warm my face up. And I may have to stop because somebody's coming pretty soon for repairs on the door to bring us the proper key so we can get in and out when we need to. All right, warm up the face. Water is not as hot as I'd like it to be. Just gonna run this under the water, soak it a little bit, and apply it directly to the skin. When you go against the grain, it's a little tougher to apply it. Going with the grain, a bit easier. Just keep saturating it under the hot water, or I should say lukewarm water, whatever you might have. Cold water, even if that's all you have, it works. You got to make it work. Just hit all the areas that you intend to shave. You can apply it, pretty directly with this, which is nice. Okay. We'll recap it, set it down. Now what I'm going to do, got the Simpsons case travel brush right here in this nice little tube. We sell these tubes separately in 3 different sizes, small, medium, and extra large. Just going to put this under the hot water. Just a little badger brush right there. Simpsons case, best badger. And just take that brush and start. You can use your fingers or you can use the brush. I'm using the brush. So this way you want to be generous with the water. Just work it into the beard. As I said, a couple days beard growth. This little brush is a little bit scratchy, which is good. Good for driving the lather directly into the beard. It's a little dry, so I am hydrating it some more. Just wetting the brush under the water. I know the lighting here is not that great, but it works. I can see. Okay, good enough. Blade. The blade is going to be Kai, right here. Remove it from the package. Kai blades, believe it or not, no markings at all. Just the blade itself. Looks like a generic blade, but they are made in Japan. Does it say on here? Yes. Kai Corporation, Seiki City, Japan. All right, progress. Loosen the knob, remove the top cap, insert the blade. Right down over the 2 posts and the threaded rod. Back into the razor. With this razor, see, I put it in backwards. You want to make sure that the line lines up with the notch on the side. There's a line and a notch. They need to go together. Put your finger on top, apply a little pressure, tighten it all the way down, and then you want to hit your setting. My setting is going to be a 3. Instead of using, if I had heavy beard growth, I would do 3 passes, 6, 3, 1. 1 or 2 day beard growth, I'm just going to go with a 3 for the first 1 or 2 passes, and then I may turn it down to a 1 for the last one. Under the hot water. Oh, can't forget, swipe. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Mercure progress, set on 3. VAYCAYSHAVE 2024. Nice feedback. I like this razor, very comfortable, hefty enough to drop right in your palm. Feels good. It's got these vertical grooves on the handle, makes it very easy to hold on to. One side is filled, flip to the other side. Got a little hair from the brush, a little bristle, which is totally normal. They will fall off at times. Both sides filled, rinse off. Okay, left side. It's tough to see. Okay, there we go. Move closer to the light on the side. Just working your way down, overlapping with your strokes. Clean the cleft. Flip it over. Rinse off. Water pressure is not as strong here as it is at home. It takes a little longer to rinse. Okay, first pass complete, rinse off. I feel that if you hold the razor further down from the stream of water, not as close, further down, the gravity from the water is a little stronger and rinses it out easier. Try that. It works pretty well. Quick rinse to the face. And here you just want to leave that residual soap. You don't need to reapply with a stick or anything. Just grab your brush, relather. Swirling, dabbing, painting. Figure 8, smooth it out, set the brush down. I'm actually going to turn it down to a 1 for this pass. All the way down to a 1. Clear the runways again. Here we go. All good, my friend. Try it out. You got me shaving, so I'll be in here. Is it good?
Yeah.
All right. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Take care. Got the proper key. Now we can go in and out. All right. I knew he was going to come during the shave. That's fine. Here we go. Across the grain. Second pass. On 1. Backhand. Rinse off. All right, against the grain on the neck. Before I did Where in the World is Geofatboy? Now it is Geofatboy's VAYCAYSHAVE. Mixing it up a little bit. As long as I'm here, might as well film up some shaves. Rinse. Across. Clean up around the lips. Very good. Rinse off. Now I'm going to rinse off and feel around. Nice and smooth. Feels great. I can't believe it, but I think I forgot my Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Black, so I won't be using that. Cold water rinse. Feels great. Nice and smooth. Very nice. Pat the face dry. Just leaving it slightly damp. Apply some aftershave balm. Got a little bit in the fingertips. Right into the skin. Sometimes you get a little chunk that sticks on the nozzle. Just do away with that. Very nice. Very close, comfortable, smooth. Really good shave. The fresh shirt. The going out shirt, not the shaving shirt. Here we go. All right. We're good to go. We're looking fresh now, right? Nice and smooth. Got a little fade going on. Got a nice haircut for the vacay. All right, I hope you enjoyed this first episode of Geofatboy's VAYCAYSHAVE 2024 in Samos, Greece. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 700 videos, shaving and more. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video. We'll have some links down there. We'll take you directly to the item. You can grab them right there. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, by the way, Shave Nation is still open even while I'm here. We're still shipping orders every day, 6 days a week. So you place your order, most likely it's going to go out the same day and you'll get it quickly. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.